to get used to like look towards the end of the rail, and your body, your board just follows. You have to look all the way to the end to finish the rail. So when I jump, I look down where I'm going to land, and then right away I look to the end of the rail. So just like this. Look down and then look to the end. Down. Guys, very simple. If you guys want to dominate this thing, you have to jump. You have to be comfortable jumping. Get used to butter, get used to holly, just to get the idea about lifting your board up and then jump. So the way I do this, I jump and I look down where I'm gonna land, and right away I look at the end of the rail, so it allows me to go all the way towards the end. And sometimes, you know, I'm so afraid and I'm gonna fall, I keep looking down, and that's exactly what happens. But we want to get used to like look towards the end of the rail, and your body, your board just follows.